Thank you much once again. We are very happy. Ukuthi ekugcineni we have won the championship. So to fulfill a vision ya president we team ukuthi manje onke lama teams both males and ladies ayomelela live eAfrica. So although bekungasiyo into lemelula bekungekho melula kusebenta kusukela ekuqaleni kuze kube nginyalo because I think le program iphumelela namhlanje we started it last season and akuzange kuba mnanzi kuba ma runners up and ke kule season lena sathi tshela nje kusukela ekuqaleni ukuthi this is our time so sifuna kuwina le ngomishi and then siyomelela live eAfrica. So cabanga ukuthi lokho kusijabulise kakhulu ngicabanga na president la khona is very happy. Sibonge yena sibonge ne management sibonge I technical team yonke sibonge ikakhulu nalama players lathi khandlile a fighter sibonge nema supporters ethu akansengizini nema supporters ebhola labe kasolo asupporta kusukela sicala kuze kube lana sijabule kakhulu ukuthi finally we've won the championship.